We are going to start with the last video because something very important happened. Check this out, my friends. I was getting on the freeway and I called this. Basically, is it playing? Perfect. Basically, Uber showed me $26, but to go 16 miles away in 19 minutes to go backwards. And it's done this before. And I called it while I was driving on the freeway. I don't know how the audio is, but watch the last video, which is the first video of today, and you will notice that the algorithm, once it knows that you're gone and there's no other drivers, it will pull you 15, 16 miles to come back. I think the mistake that I made in hindsight was in the morning, it gave me, and we can pause that, by the way. We don't need that anymore. Get out of here. Okay. Now we're live. Okay. Let's turn it on in case something pops up. Okay. In hindsight, I think what happened was it gave me an $8 ride to go about 7 miles for half a mile to pick up somebody. I said no because it doesn't meet my minimum requirement of 15 bucks. But I think if I would have taken that $8 ride, it would have put me in a position to pick up this person for 26. So 26 plus 8, $34 I would have possibly made. Or this is my thinking. When I left, right when I'm on the freeway, because there's a part where I can make a U-turn on the freeway and come back, right? It waits till I pass that part where I can't make a U-turn because it's learned that in the past. In the past, it gave me a $44 ride. I went back and I got it because there's a part on the freeway where this Pakistani can make a U-turn, right? Once the algorithm learned that I'm on the freeway and I can make a U-turn, it memorized it. Then it waits till I pass that part because once I can't make a U-turn on the freeway, which is rare, right? Now it gives it to me where I can't make a U-turn anymore and I have to go 16 miles to come back. So understand the algorithm's reading you. It's figuring you out. It's figuring out your psychology. And I think this is the thing. I think it's a push on our psyche. It's literally like, yo, by the way, there's $26 if you want to go get it. I could have given it to you, but now I'm not going to give it to you. And a lot of people are going to get angry and upset. It's like, oh man, this 26 bucks. Had I gone that way, I would have got it. And their day gets ruined. And no, my friends, no. You have to understand the psychology behind these technology companies and these billionaires and these Silicon Valley, whatever you want to call them. They're playing with your mind. They're playing tricks with you because that $8 ride for half a mile makes no sense. The $3.25 surge makes no sense. And the fact that I got on the freeway and I'm leaving, it wants me to go back 16 miles to make $26 to come back 20 miles. All of these are just tricks that they play. By the way, my name is Ahmed. If you're new to my channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe because every day I'm creating around 8 to 12 videos in real time, teaching you about Uber, teaching you about spirituality, and teaching you about real-time content creation. Okay, now let's figure out what we're gonna do because we are over here in Moreno Valley. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying something a little bit different where I'm trying to stay local and not drive too much. So my first option from here typically is to go towards UC Riverside. My gut feeling is, again, right here is generally where there's traffic. UC Riverside is right here. I think there's a chance some student might need a ride, or maybe something might open up there. My second option is my car is right here, by the way. My second option is to go towards downtown Riverside and assume that maybe somebody came out here for business. Maybe somebody drank last night a little bit and is left the car or something. I'm thinking, try these two options, right? My third option is, I'm going to zoom out, is to go towards Ontario Airport and be there by 7 o'clock. Where's Ontario Airport? Now, I don't know how to drive where I don't drive a lot. This is just the way I'm used to it. So if in between I'm moving today and it offers me $12 to $18, I'll take it. And my mind is simple. If I take 8 people for, let's say, 20 bucks, if I do the math right, it's like around $150, $160. Sometimes you can get lucky with a tip, or you can get a $30, $40 ride. And that's it. That's how we're going to drive. We're going to try to stay out here but I'm gonna stick to my strategy. Move, pause for 10-15 minutes, work on my YouTube channel, move, pause for 10-15 minutes, and grab a ride, and just try to stay local, not end up in LA. Hey, who knows? If it gives me a $50-$60 ride, I'll probably take it, because I like having conversations with my guests, and it gives me material for my book that I'm putting together of everything that I'm learning from all my passengers. We have some incredible conversations. So I use Mission Inn Hotel and Spa as a guide to kind of get there, and then where you see the traffic generally is a good opportunity to possibly cherry pick. Alrighty, I made it to downtown Riverside. I'm literally parked right next to Riverside Convention Center. There's a Marriott here, Mission Inn Hotel and Spa. You know, just trying to see if something pops up. First thing I'm gonna do is close this, go over here and make sure my memory is clear. I don't know why, but sometimes I think this helps with Uber. It's weird. Like, I try every single trick in the book. Now we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna let Uber do its thing. Oh good, it woke up. So see, it did help. It turned into the morning. I will let you know if something pops up. If nothing pops up, I think I will give it about 10 minutes. And in 10 minutes, I have two options. I can go from the street right here, Mission Boulevard, and then get on 60. Or I can get on the freeway and go faster. But either way, my goal is most likely going to be, I want to end up here at Ontario Airport. Yesterday I got there at 7:30 and I missed everything. So today I'm hoping I can get there, or on my way there I can grab somebody. Let's see, we'll see. I'm hoping something pops up here, but let me go work on my thumbnails and take it easy for a little bit until it's time to start driving. But so far it's been slow. Other than the two opportunities I got in the morning close to where I'm at, I've got nothing. Not even $3, not even $4, not even $5. That's not good. That means Uber might be mad at me today. I created quickly these 4 thumbnails and exported them, and they're basically going to end up being put onto the 4 videos right here. 1, 2, 3. Actually 3 videos. And then this one we're going to leave the way it is. And there we go. So everything from yesterday is now up to date. And I got to do it for my other YouTube channel now. And in the back, Uber hasn't done much. So we're going to give it a hint. We're going to say Ontario Airport. Perfect. It's showing 21 minutes. So if I leave in about 5 minutes when I'm done working on my YouTube channel, I should get there around 7:05, which will be before yesterday. Yesterday I got there around 7:30. So, oh my goodness. Okay, that's the first ride that popped up since I was in that area, and I was just trying to read it. I saw 1177. I saw 5.0. I saw 3 minutes, 0.8 miles away. That means I'm very close to it. And then it went away. But here's the good news. This basically means there's other drivers here, right? Unless this pops back up. That means there's somebody else here. I'm not the only one sitting in downtown Riverside, which makes me want to leave, because I don't want to be where there's other drivers. I want to be somewhere where there's less competition. And in the background, I'm still cranking. I'm working on my thumbnails. Almost done. There you go. All right. So me sitting here and waiting. Look, I'm literally right next to where I'm picking up the person. So it was worth it, I think. And once I'm in Santa Ana, John Wayne Airport, I can pick up somebody that's coming in from the morning flights from wherever. So hopefully you guys learned something. And I didn't finish my thumbnails in the background. I'm still working on them. So let me go ahead and upload this video. And after this one, on the next video, you'll see what I'm going to do once I get to John Wayne Airport. And by the way, I don't know how to stay local. My mentality is airport runs. Unfortunately, I don't know how to do it, but it is what it is. And notice one more thing. It gave me the 11 and I didn't bite. and maybe another driver took it, and then I got the 31, meaning the $31 ride was sitting there. That's what I want you guys to understand. There are rides here, and all the other drivers are taking little stuff. And if you're calm and you're patient, when I told the navigation, when I told Uber, look, I'm ready to go to freaking Ontario Airport, in that situation, it decided that this crazy Pakistani is gonna go and waste another 3 hours work on his YouTube channel at the airport. No, let's make $31. Let's give him $31. Let's put 31 in our pocket, and learn from my mistakes. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, my friends.